Mom's gonna be so excited. All right, she's coming out.
And it's,
I don't like that noise.
12:59, headed out before 1.
So,
Oh yeah, but it was mostly
in case nobody has seen it yet, this is our Mother's Day gift. It's actually Mom's birthday, but it's close enough to Mother's Day, so we'll call it for both. Got our friend Robert Evans here helping. He actually almost engineered all this. It was his idea to push us to get it done. And now we're gonna get it done.
That's why we're here? It's because of you? Thanks a lot.
Okay, we're going back in. Tranny transfer case exhaust. On the new motor, it all came out together and it's all going back in together. Just gonna make Robert sit here and hold it while I'm filming. What do you think so far, Donnie?
Gucci.
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 Gucci. Now put a big smile on your face for Mom. There we go.
So, going back in.
Put the exhaust bolts back on, did we? That's the exhaust noise I hear.
Is little son antifreeze and something all over the ground?
The petcock was open.
Happy Father's Day, Mom.
Ooh, look how clean it is. Oh, the running board came out.
What is this? You guys get to ride in it before me. I'm so shocked.
I forgot.
and it's up
I can
there.
look here and see what she's going to back into. That's pretty cool.
Okay, I can't see that way. I don't
You're
see
clear.
anything.
Oh, it's got some sound to
I don't like the headrest.
it. Oh, it can go back.
I haven't figured out how to get it back further.
Yeah,
We can remove it.
We can remove it. Here, hold that real
it
quick.
pushes your head forward. My back is way back there and my head is way forward. So if my head is against it, I'd have to put a thing on here. Or just pull it up, then my head will go, oh, see, now it's weird because there's nothing under there.
Like that?
Well, my head goes under it. That's weird.
Do you want me to go further down? Or?
I don't know. Because I didn't want it.
Here, I'll just mess with it some.
It's just
see if I
weird.
can get it to. Oh,
my.
I couldn't get it to do it that earlier.
Did it?
It went. How's that?
Same.
How's that?
Oh. It still pushes forward, but like it needs to.
Yeah, this one stood up a little more too.
Oh, that's way back.
Guess what I'm driving tomorrow, Phil?
The Montero?
I said me, not you.
I can't believe how far you guys got
I
tonight.
cannot believe this. Phil
I was
said,
tickled that it was running.
well, it'll be done this summer because the boys and I are all going to get together and jump on it and get it done. And I'm like, the boys are all so busy.
They were.
When is everybody going to have time?
Robert Evans got them rounded up and
I
together.
can't believe that.
You
Yeah,
said I
I-
can't keep a secret? But you're right. Because I told Jordan,
Everybody but
Jacob,
me.
and Frank.
You. What a turkey.
I told them they couldn't tell you. They couldn't let on.
Well, no, nobody else would care. Well, except Jake. He's terrible at keeping a secret. And Karen.
So the screen you have it on right now tells you what drive is engaged. And then you can actually just hit down and go to pitch and roll.
Yes.
And then down again, you can do all your,
I went through
here's
that.
power distribution, here's the tire pressure monitors, and then here's gauges. So you have,
wow.
that's the one I like the most. So you can see how much boost you have right now, the temperatures, training temp and engine temp, plus your voltage. There's also trip on there.
Prius and
You can see the reader board tells you how close you are to the car in front of you.
Yeah, Laurel said you couldn't even get up the
something that
ladder.
goes out to hold this out,
there should be a...
I'm sure there is.
because you can't get through.
Your
I'm a
turn,
little
it's fine.
claustrophobic for this.
Well, you have a grandson in the sun.
Woohoo!
Zip the tent.
Drive away.
There's no air.
You get a fan.
I'll have to worry about getting
I know. You're,
Oh, and there's
the
a map
sides
in there.
open and stuff.
oh my goodness. But it's really hot up here.
I'm
It won't be
sure.
at
There's
night.
probably a vent.
You don't sleep in the daytime.
But see, it's got a.
Well, up in the mountains, it'll be
Screen up
30
there.
degrees cooler too.
Okay, Wasp, go away.
Okay, let me see this. This rolls up.
Actually, take the...
Okay, so you've got screen.
All right, Dad, climb up in there.
Sun.
I'm gonna have to get back out.
Through tears in my eyes. Tears and sweat.
This truck is rocking. Don't bother knocking.
Everybody leave.
Happy Father's Day, everyone! Let's go!
I'm gone.
Okay, wait, that's my face. Now smile. Kiss her again.
It's really hot up here.
Tori, if you're trying to take pictures of them, why are you taking
Thanks,
a picture
guys.
of yourself?